Welcome, today I'm with Amazon Echo Studio and I'm going to show you how you can play Apple Music on your speaker. So what do you have to do? At the first, open Amazon Alexa application, and right now we have to go for access devices when we are in the home tab. Next, we have to simply select our Amazon Echo speaker, and then we have to select to connect a device. Right now we'll be able to find our iPhone after a few seconds, so don't worry. If it takes too much time, we are going to make it manually by using system settings. Okay, definitely it's too much, so let's go back for the main screen, open the settings, open the Bluetooth, and right now we have to take a look for our Echo Studio speaker. It's right here, so we have to tap on it once. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. Yeah, as you can hear the notification, we are connected. So right now we can just simply go back, and after that we'll find our iPhone. So right now, take a look. We have to open our Apple Music, and for example we can play this music radio station. As you can hear, this sound comes from our speaker. I don't have here any music because I don't get it from the iTunes, but if you have, just simply tap on it once and you will be also able to stream your music straight to your Amazon Echo Studio speaker. So as you can see, that's how you can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.